Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic of discussion is how can we make a simple dashboard with the help of some basic formulas. And here you can see in the dashboard some of the basic details, and we will only use the Vlookup function. And in this Vlookup function you have to just put the employee ID, and then you will get automatically the designation, its city, email address, salary, grade, and as well as his name. So the data is written here. Here you can see the employee database. In this employee database you have to just write here the employee ID, and then you will get the name, its designation, its grade, and salary, city, and the employee email. And you can also see here the picture of that person. And here I just go here, and in this sheet, what you have to do, you have to just write the email ID, and you will get the name of that person, designation, and the different data from this data sheet. So how you can get this type of data? You have to just use the one formula, which is Vlookup formula. And how you can use, you have to just go here, like in that first we just want the employee name, so you have to just write here equals to Vlookup bracket open. Now what we want the employee ID, comma, and in that what we want the name of the employee. So you have to just select the whole data sheet, and in that whole data sheet what you have to do, you have to just first write here comma, and after that what we want the employee name. So the name of the employee is written in second column, so you just write here 2 comma, and you have to just write here 0 for the exact number. So here you will get the employee name. Here it says nothing else because we have not wrote any employee ID yet. Now we work on designation. So how you will get the designation? You have to just again use the same Vlookup function. You have to just write it equals to Vlookup and bracket open. What it says, you have to just select the cell from which it wants to look, and now you have to just select the whole data sheet in comma, and we want the designation. So the designation is written here in the third column, so you have to just write here 3 and comma, then you have to just write here 0 for the exact match. And now it says the city, so the city is written here, so we just again use the Vlookup and bracket open. I continuously manually putting the formula because so that you will get the better understanding of how will use the Vlookup and what is the Vlookup function and how you can write the Vlookup function. So you have to just write your equal first employee ID cell. Now you have to just go here and select the whole data, and in that whole data what it wants the city. So the city is written here third, fourth, fifth, sixth column, so you have to just write your 6 and comma. Now we want the exact match, so you have to just write your 0. Now it says city, and in that we want the email, so you go here and Vlookup bracket open. Now it says email, so you have to just go here and Vlookup employee ID, and then you have to just go here, select the whole data, and comma. Now it says the employee ID, so you have to just select the here, and what is the number of the column is in the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th column. So you have to just write your 7th and then 0 for exact match, and you will get the email. And here you can see the grade, so you have to just go here and write here Vlookup bracket open, and now it says employee ID, comma. Now it says the data, so we will just give it the data, and comma. Now it says the grade, so grade is in the 4th column. You have to just write here 4th and bracket close, then you will get the column. And then salary, for salary you have to just write here Vlookup bracket open and employee, and then you have to just select whole the data. And now what we want the employee salary, so the salary of the employee is written in the column number 5th. You have to just write here 5th, and then you have to just write here 0 for exact match. We have done all our data with the help of VLOOKUP. Now what we have to do, we have to simply put the employee ID, so that we will get all the details of the employee. So what we have to do, you have to just use the employee ID, and here you can see the employee ID. This is all the employees. So what you have to do, you have to just write the first employee, which is 1001, and you have to just press the enter, and now you can see here the whole data of that particular employee is written here, like his employee ID, his designation, his city from which it belongs, or the posting, and its email, its salary, and its grade, and as well as you can see its name. So now what we have to do, you have to just, again, if you just change it, you will get the data of the Sarah. If you just change it, you will get the data of Harry, and if you just again change, you will get the data of Danny and its designation and its grade and different things. This is very simple example. We just put the data from VLOOKUP and extract it and connected it. And if you face any confusion in this video, you can write in our comment section, and kindly please support our channel by subscribing it and by like it and by sharing it, so that we will be able to put further videos on it. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Thank you.